Everyone. It's time to learn our new sound spelling card for this lesson. Let's take a look at our sound spelling cards. Okay, our last lesson was on, I believe, the cow card. Okay, so now we're moving on to the toy card. Okay, now here is the toy card. Okay, everyone say toy. Say oi. Okay, oi is spelled O-I and blank O-Y. When you see the blank in front of a spelling pattern, that means this goes at the end of a word or a syllable. Okay, this means it can't go in the beginning. Um, Now, again, hello again. When you say oi, the lower part of your cheek kind of gets sucked in. Oi, and you make like a little O. Oi, oi, and then your mouth stretches. Excuse me. Um, oi, oi. Oop, hold on. Oi, little, kind of like a little smile. Oi, oi, and your tongue stays down. Oi, oi, and you kind of feel it more in your throat. Oi. Okay, so that's one reason why I'm showing my face so you can see how your mouth, your lips move, so you don't confuse it with another sound. So let's go ahead and begin and blend some words that have the toy card sound in them. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. Let me go to our slide here, first slide, and so we have toy card OI and blank OI. Sorry, this is getting in the way. Let me see if I can make it disappear. Nope. So we'll just keep going. So I'll blend and watch me and listen to me blend. B, oi, boy. He is a boy. Now your turn. Ready? You sound it out and blend. Did you say boy? Good. My turn. K, oi, coin. Okay, look at all the coins. In that case, I put an S at the end, even though it sounds like a Z. We know that sometimes the S can sound like a Z, especially when it's at the end of a word. Next, your turn. Did you say coin? Good. And in the picture, we see coins. My turn. J, oi, joy. Joy is another word for happy. These are called synonyms. They mean words that mean the same. Synonyms. Joy. Your turn. Did you say joy? Good. You can say the girl is happy. She's full of joy. My turn. Up. Oi. Mm. T. Point. He uses his finger to point where in which direction to go. Your turn. Oh, actually, let me go back. So NT, those are consonant blends. So nt becomes nt. Point over here. Point. Your turn. And point. Good. My turn. F. Oi. Ol. Foil. Okay, I use foil to cover the plate of food. Some people also call it aluminum foil. Your turn. Did you say foil? Good. My turn. S. Oi. Soy. So soy looks like it's a type of bean, and sometimes, well, they use soy to make many kinds of foods, and one thing is soy milk. I think they squeeze out the liquid and you get soy milk. But I think they can also grind it up to make soy patties, things that look like meat using using soy. Your turn. Good. I hope you said soy. That's one syllable, right? Soy, just one syllable. Okay, so now let's go ahead and practice blending words. We'll do this group right here, this list. Next time we'll do these. Okay, so take a look, eyes, then mouth, and coin. Good. Coin. This coin is worth 5 cents. Your coin is worth 10 cents. Okay, next. Did you say boil? Very good. Oil, boil. I boil the water to cook the vegetables. That means boiling. Boil is a verb, means that something that gets really hot and bubbly, like water boiling. Now we hear, take a look at this word. Notice that the base word is also boil. So you would say the base word, boil, and then now ed, will it sound like ed, d, or t? Now the only way to know is to read it in a sentence. We'll use it in a sentence and then listen to what sounds right. So if I said yesterday I boiled water to cook the vegetables, boiled. That means ed sounds just like d, boiled. You wouldn't say yesterday I boiled or yesterday I boiled water. No, so it's boiled. Just sounds like a d. So now you look at this word, notice the base word. So I want you to read it yourself with your eyes. Go ahead. Did you say boiling? Very good. So we see ing. We know that ing says ing, and it's a clue that this is a verb, that the base word is a verb. Boil. I boil water. Okay, that's a verb. Put it together. Boiling. Okay, next. Take a look at that. Eyes, then mouth. And did you say noise? Let's see. Ois, silent e. So this doesn't say noisy, even though you see the e. When the word has 2 or more syllables, the y says e, like noisy, it would have to be a y. So right now it just says noise, and it's 1 syllable. Noise. Okay? And then again, the S sounds like a Z because it's on the zipper card. Okay? And can I show you the zipper card real quick? Yes, I can. Let's see. Let me jump around. Zipper card, where are you? Where that at the end of the alphabet, right? So let me zoom in. More. There, you see the S is at the end. Z, noise, with the silent E. Oh, let me find the slide. Hold on, where'd it go? So noise. Okay, next. Joy. Right? So for this one, I need to use it in a sentence, right? So let's see. All that noise hurt my ears and gave me a headache. Okay, next, you read it with your eyes. Did you say joy? Very good. Okay, you can say that game brings me joy, makes me happy, right? Okay, next, you read it with your eyes. Okay, did you say, well, and now let's read it. Soy. Okay, very good. Soy. You can say that's soy milk. Next, eyes, then mouth, and we'll read it together. And toy. Okay, I have a nice toy. Okay, so those are our spelling words for this lesson. Next lesson, we'll read these. Now, again, if I'm going too fast, you can pause. If I'm over here and I'm going too fast, just pause me and you can go ahead and read that word and then this word. If you need more time to sound this out and blend it, then pause my video and then sound it out and then press play and you can keep going. Okay, so now let's let's read some sentences. Okay, and take a look at this sentence. We'll read it together. And I found a coin in the soil! Exclamation mark. So someone was happy that they found a coin in the soil. And then we're practicing the toy card. Oh, I says oi. Oh, I says oi. Okay, let's read it again and go. I found a coin in the soil. And you know what? We talked about using adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. And we know that a noun is a person, place, or thing. And this noun is the coin. It's a thing. So we'll call it, I think last time I used the word shiny, right? So let me use, how about um, the brown? Some coins are like, well, the penny's brown, right? So how about, we'll use hard. Coins are very hard, right? They're not soft. Okay, that's why when you drop them, they make a lot of noise. So I found a hard coin in the soil. Again, I found a hard coin in the soil. Oh, and we can even use an adjective here. How about wet soil? Let's read that again and go. I found a hard coin in the wet soil. And again, because you're in first grade now, near the end of first grade, the sentences are getting longer. So that means sometimes you might have to chunk it so that you can remember what you read and then to read it more fluently. So I think we can chunk it. Let's see. I found a hard coin. There, that's one idea. The first idea is that you found a hard coin. And the second idea in that sentence is that it's in the wet soil. Put it together and we say, I found a hard coin in the wet soil. And exclamation mark because the person is probably happy and surprised they found some money. Okay, next sentence. Let's read it together. Ready and go. The boy was so happy. He was full of joy. Okay, so again, here I split this sentence into two. Oi, O-I says oi, O-Y, excuse me. O-Y says oi, O-Y says oi, boy, joy. Oh, and they rhyme. Boy, joy. Oh, I think this word rhymes too. They all have O-Y at the end. Boy, joy, Roy. Sorry, I jumped ahead, but I like to see patterns. I hope you see patterns too. Okay, especially spelling patterns. Okay, let's read it one more time. The boy was so happy. He was full of joy. Okay, and next. Okay, and eyes, then mouth, and go. Roy did not enjoy the noise. Okay, again. Roy did not enjoy the noise. Okay. Again, O-I says oi. O-Y says oi. O-Y again says oi. Roy, enjoy, they both rhyme. They have oi at the end. Okay, so now, let me make sure I can fit everything in here. I'm gonna have to shrink it a little bit right there. Okay, need to close that to make more room. Okay, so again, for your homework, you're going to, homework, and it's your class dojo assignment. Okay, you're gonna pick 3 spelling words and use it in a sentence. So let's say you want to use the word boiling. You could say, I am boiling water to cook the potato. Okay, pick 1 and 2 and then 3. Now, if you're having a hard time coming up with your own sentences, then you can use mine here. You can copy 1 or 2, but try to make your own. That's the best. Or you can take my sentence and change some words. So you could say, I found a shiny coin in the dry soil. So we can say that's a sentence that you and I both made, right? You changed some words in my sentences. Okay, so Again, thank you for your work. I'm really happy to see that, and I'm happy that I'm able to teach you your sound spelling cards. The next lesson, we're going to read some more toy card words and read a decodable. Um, and I'll also play a song. I like to play a song with it. Okay, so you'll get to see that in the next lesson. Okay, so I'll see you on Class Dojo.